Hey there, welcome to 2 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a document in Adobe Illustrator. Once you've launched Illustrator, go ahead and find this blue button that says New File and click on it. Now, Illustrator is going to give you a whole bunch of options, but don't get scared. We're going to show you exactly what it means. Up top here, Illustrator is going to give you a bunch of different options that they've already made. So these are phone sizes, web sizes, print sizes. You can choose any of those that you'd like. But today I'm going to show you how to make your own. Go here and see preset details. Now, the top thing right here is going to be the name of your document. So go ahead and change that to whatever you like. I'm just going to change to tut for tutorial for this sake. And next, we're going to go down here. Now, this is your measurement that you want to work in Illustrator. I usually work in pixels, but you can work in pixels, points, picots, inches, feet and inches, yards, millimeters, centimeters, or meters. If you're working on anything that you're printing in a print shop somewhere, maybe use inches. If you're working on business card, use inches. But for everything else, I like to use pixels. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with that. Now we get to choose what size we want our document to be. I'm going to choose mine at 1080 by 1081, just to show you here. Now this is my width and this is my height, so it's going to be a tiny bit taller than it is wide. If we wanted to change that, we can just change this orientation right here. So we can just click on that. Now it's a little bit wider than it is tall. I actually want it to be 1080, but so we'll switch that now. That was just a demonstration. But next is your artboards. What is your artboard? Well, your artboard is your canvas. That's what you're going to put your artwork on. So we only need one of those. Bleed is for, once again, working with documents that you're going to print. Let's go into color mode. RGB versus CMYK. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. In computers, these colors make up everything that you see on your screen. CMYK, on the other hand, is what you see in print. Those are the ink colors in your printer. That's cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. I'm not sure why black is K, but it is. So we're going to stick with RGB because we're working on the computer right now, and I don't plan to print it out right now. But if you are planning to print your artwork out, go ahead and choose CMYK. This is my raster effects. What is that? That's like my blurs and my drop shadows and all of the effects that, well, Photoshop can do. Now you can always change this later, so I'm not too worried about that. Let's stick with 72 for now. Preview mode doesn't really need to be changed unless you just want to see it all in pixels. That's not the way Illustrator works. So we're just gonna stick default for now. And you can click on more settings if you want to, but they're basically the same thing. So no need to do that. Next, once you're all done, once you're happy with that, go ahead and click create. And there you go. There's our beautiful document ready for your artwork. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely check out this one next. It's going to show you how to export your artwork as a PNG or a JPEG so you can share your artwork with the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.